Are we rolling?
Yes.
2, 1, go.
And I blow shit up safely.
Launch to Survive Season 1. Hi, my name is Vedant and I'm the head of management for this tenure. Over the past couple of years, we've had this idea of creating content for everyone to see and the vision of actually letting people know how much it takes to build a rocket from the start till the finish. And thus, I welcome you to our series, Launch to Survive Season 1.
Hello everyone, I'm Shaunak Okasta, the current team leader of Thrust MIT. Thrust MIT was the first student rocketry team to be established in India. For the past 10 years, we've been perfecting our designs with Quartz motors, be it with the 10,000 feet or the 30,000 feet categories. And since we've achieved that, this time we're aiming even higher. We plan to go 10K start this year.
Are you scared of this new endeavor that you're taking up on?
Yeah, I'm shit scared of the motor blowing up.
I'm Anushka. I'm the team manager at Thrust MIT for this tenure. I oversee the timelines of rocket design, documentation, and material procurement. I am the primary point of contact with Thrust MIT with external bodies, which include the faculty advisor, the university, and ESRA. I also oversee logistics, material procurement, and budget allocation. Basically, up until the rocket's in the air, I make sure everything goes to plan.
Hello, I'm Tarun, the current payload head of Thrust MIT 2526. I'm from a subsystem where we design scientific experiments for the sounding rockets that we make. It is the entire reason that we send rockets every year up into the sky, whatever altitude, 3 kilometers, 10 kilometers. Last year, we actually won SDL second place. Our seniors actually did, but everyone knows that I did most of the work, kind of obvious. This year, we'll be aiming for first in SDL, because, why not?
Hi, I'm Dhruv Jadhav and I'm the head of propulsion for this tenure. And I blow shit up safely. This year, we're going to go 10K start for the first time in the team's history. My day-to-day work includes overall motor development and making sure it's safe to fly. So I make the calculations and the simulations to make sure the motor is safe to fly. And apart from that, my work includes making charges for the recovery devices and cooking propeller.
Hi, I'm Sanskriti, the avionics head of Thrust MIT 2526. We built the brain of the rocket, that is the flight computer, which helps us recover the rocket, helps in data transmission and data logging as well. We also are looking into research this year to broaden our horizons.
Do you believe in luck?
Every signal, every cable is my responsibility. There is no room for luck.
Hi, I'm Dhruv Falod, Head of Ground Systems and Testing for Thrust MIT 2025-26.
What are you planning to do for the next year?
Code.
Hello everybody, my name is Shaurya Mittal. I am the head of aerodynamics here at Thrust MIT for this year. And our subsystem carries out fancy simulations to design the rocket, and we accommodate other subsystems' work and mistakes in the rocket and make sure that the rocket reaches 10,000 feet. It is also our subsystem's stereotypical responsibility to nag other subsystems to reduce the weight of their components, and we are also the subsystem with the coolest name.
Hello, I'm Samrudh Raja and I'm the recovery head of Thrust MIT for this year. This year we're going to be implementing a single way recovery system that has never been done by us before, and the main goal of it is to use tender descenders and use 2 parachutes. Your good deed will always... Shut the fuck.
I am Tushar Chatterjee, Head of Structures of Thrust MIT for this tenure. In structures, we do the entire design simulation. We look into the assembly of the different components. We also make the mounts for avionics and payload. We look into the design manufacturing of the entire rocket body along with its internals, which includes metal parts and composites layups as well.